Here's how to install mods for Deadlock in under 2 minutes. Go to deadlockmods.app/download and select Download for Windows. Run the installer, click Next, Next, let it finish downloading, select Finish, check the box for I understand the mods are third-party content, Next. After it starts up, if you get the error the addons folder or gameinfo.gi is read-only, check the file permissions, right-click Deadlock on Steam, select Manage, browse local files, double-click Game, Citadel, right-click gameinfo.gi, Properties, check the box for read-only, then head back to the Deadlock Mod Manager. Now to start downloading mods, go to the mod store on the left, pick a mod you like, and download mod. If it asks you which files to download, just check Select All, download selected, let it finish downloading. Once it's finished downloading, go to your mods library and check the box to enable the mod. Once you do that, go to the top and select the Launch Modded. Click Continue, and as you can see, the mods work. If this video helped, let me know down below.